In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Shopify recovery code 5 minutes. If you use two-step verification on your Shopify account, a recovery code is your safety net. It lets you get back in if you ever lose access to your Authenticator app or your phone. I'll walk you through where to find it, how to generate it, and a few smart ways to keep it safe. Start by opening your web browser and going to Shopify, then sign into your store's admin. Once you are on the admin dashboard, look for settings. You'll usually find it in the lower left corner, represented by a gear icon. Click that to open your account and store settings. Inside settings, go to the user area for your account. This is where you manage your personal profile, access, and security related options. You want to make sure you're viewing your own user details, not a general store setting, because recovery codes live under your individual account. Next, open the security section. This is the hub for two-step verification and backup access. Here you should see an option to generate a new recovery code. Go ahead and click generate new code. Keep in mind, generating a new code typically replaces any previously issued recovery code, so if you had one stored, it will no longer work after you create a new one. That's normal, and it's a good way to refresh your backup if you're not sure where the old code went. When the new recovery code appears, click on the code to copy it. This is your backup to sign in if you can't complete two-step verification. Treat it like a key, do not share it with anyone, and don't store it in plain text where others might see it. A secure password manager is a great place to keep it, or you can write it down and store it somewhere safe and offline. If your browser offers to save it, double check that it's going into a secure vault rather than a simple notes field. If the security page opens in a separate Shopify account window, that's expected. Shopify may take you to a dedicated account portal to manage verification and recovery details. Also, if you don't see the option right away, make sure you're on your own user profile and that two-step verification is set up, since recovery codes are tied to that. That's it. You've gone to Shopify, opened settings, accessed your user area, headed into security, generated a new recovery code, and clicked the code to copy it. Keep it safe and you'll be covered if you ever lose access to your authenticator. Thanks for watching and take care of that code.